A balanced diet is a diet consisting of a variety of different foods that provide us with an adequate amount of nutrients to support and promote good health. Water is essential. Around 6 to 8 glasses of water should be consumed into the body on a daily basis. There are 5 different food groups that should be consumed and seen throughout our diet. These include carbohydrates, foods such as breads, rice and pasta, where possible choosing whole grain and higher fibre options. Dairy. Dairy consists of foods such as milk, yogurt, cheeses. These kind of foods should be taken in moderation and where possible choosing lower fat options. Proteins, including fish, meat, beans and pulses. It's always important to try and reduce the amount of red meat into our diet wherever possible. Oils and spreads, these should be again taken in moderation using unsaturated options whenever we can. And finally, the most important are fruit and veg, always making sure that we consume 5 portions of fruit and veg a day.